guys what is going on. So I'm driving the Ecoboost. We are heading over to Auto Mafia. We haven't been there in a while. We're going over there. They recently got a dyno. So what we're gonna do is throw the car on the dyno, see what it makes. I'm on E40, so pretty interested in this, but not quite sure what it's gonna make on this dyno. I recently dynoed it on another dyno. I'll tell you what I made later in the video, but yeah, I'm interested to see if we can get the car cool, because I've been having issues with the smaller intercooler, but because I don't have meth yet. But let's see what it makes. I don't really care what it makes, but why not try it on a different dyno and see what happens. So I'll get back with you guys when we get there. All right, guys, we're out here at Auto Mafia. Car's already up on the lift here, and we're gonna go ahead and it's cooling down right now, but we're gonna go ahead and get it on the dyno, get it strapped up and all that, and let it cool down, and then we'll see what it makes. All right, guys, we're getting the car strapped up on the dyno right behind me. I'm nervous, as always, whenever I put my car on the dyno. Caleb, what do you think it's gonna make?
I got no idea, man.
Tommy, what do you think it's gonna make?
What PSI are you running at?
Probably 27. Small turbo though.
Like 350 to 370?
That sounds about right. Huh?
My guess is going to be that it's going to put down 355 rear wheel horsepower and 499 foot-pounds of torque.
Okay, that's a little bit high for this tune.
399. That's what I meant. 399.
I was gonna say
Not 499.
that's
That's a lot.
maybe the race gas tune.
Put you on
But-
C85.
Yeah. I'm hoping for 350, 360, and like 400 to 420 torque. That's pretty consistently what it's been before. So let's see, and we can compare it to the dyno day I went to a couple weeks ago. See what it does. Yeah. All right, so as some of you guys know, I'm famous for not loading the right tune on my car. So I'm double checking before Caleb even gets his hands on it, so I can make sure that I am not on the wrong tune, because, you know, I like to do that, whether it's at the track or on the dyno. All right, let's see. Tune. Show current map. E30, that looks good. Now I just need to make sure I had it on the soft map earlier. Yeah, map slot 2 is like the bad gas tune. I was driving around on that because it was wet, and it probably makes like 220 wheel.
You can find out.
All right, so it's on map slot 1. All right, here comes the moment of truth. Oh, you gotta line it up and everything? Gotcha. Gotta adjust everything. I always get so nervous on the dyno, because, you know, things can happen. I don't like it, but you know what? Send it. So, gonna see what this thing makes. They're just lining it up real quick, making sure it's good to go, and then we're gonna send it. That made some freaking torque, man. 354, 445. Wow. That's the most torque this thing's ever ran, and this isn't even the hot tune. So that kind of worries me about the race gas tune, but oh well. That made some torque.
That made some torque.
I've never made that much torque before, and that's not even the hot tune.
That was on, well, that's with 10% load.
Okay.
Because I have an eddy brake, so I can load the dyno.
Gotcha.
So that's what we did.
Nice. Looks like the torque went down a little bit. Yeah, looks like the torque went down a little bit. I was expecting that though after the first pull because, like I said, the intercooler is a little bit small, and it's gonna heat soak a little bit. That's why Caleb's being really loud right now. That's why I'm trying to get meth so that I can not have to deal with the heat soaking issues. All right, so we got the bumper off the car. We're gonna cool the intercooler down with some nitrous there because it was heat soaking a little bit. And we decided to check out the intercooler. And if I go right over here, this is that small intercooler I've told you guys about, the ETL. Hopefully it's not too windy. Yeah, so just turn these off. All right, now we're good. So, anyways, we were trying out this intercooler, ETL. It's fucked. It's got this nice big bump in it. I kind of had a feeling this might happen. I wonder if anything's going on in the back. No, it looks good on the back. Looks good on the back. It's just the freaking top got freaking ballooned. That's crazy. So yeah, we're putting the levels back on now. I don't know if we're gonna dyno with it. We might, but yeah, this is ETL. Okay, so we got the ETL off. It's out there. The dog's gonna eat it eventually.
I think he's gonna lay there.
Yeah, he's just tired. Got the race core that's going back on. I like how where the grill is open, there's just a strip of dirt. Yeah. All the way across, but the rest of it's clean.
So you hit the top again.
But yeah, we're gonna throw this back on the car. It's been a while since I've had a big intercooler on the car. So we're gonna throw this back on the car. Hopefully this one doesn't balloon. It hasn't yet, so.
Or crack.
It shouldn't. I mean, I did have one of these crack though.
The street one, right?
The street one. I had one of these crack, but he made the welds nice on this one. Or at least better than the other ones, so. I'm gonna get this on the car. So, ETL, that was all swelled up and bent. It's right over there. Got the big old levels back on. And we are gonna do a run right now to see what it'll do. I might have to warm the car up a little bit, but not even changing the tune. We're just gonna send it with this. It's probably gonna make less boost. Probably gonna make less power. We'll see. I'm gonna go sit down. Come here. Come here, Bradley. Mr. Master Tech, we need to go discuss these numbers because, dear God, that's the most power I've ever made before.
Okay, that isn't standard.
That's standard. Put it to SAE. It's probably going to be lower, but still not going to be that low. Okay, that looks about normal, but still holy freaking torque. That's SAE 376, right?
Yeah,
That's SAE 376 horsepower, 469 torque.
Yep.
This isn't race gas. This isn't race gas yet.
E40.
This is it's an E30 tune technically. It's an E30 tune. I run E40 for knock resistance because it's Florida and it's freaking hot. We switched to the levels, and the car's been sitting. We just warmed it up, so I mean, it's not like a back-to-back comparison or anything.
It's at temp.
But it's at temp, and it just made 376, 469.
There's
So it's
still 20 more horsepower and 20 more foot-pounds of torque.
oh Jesus Christ. Yeah, so there's that. All right, guys, this is SAE with the maximum smoothing. This is smoothing 5. So on the last run, we're gonna say the car made 374, 455, even though it was showing some pretty crazy torque figures before.
That's the most conservative number.
Yes. So we're just gonna say the car makes 374, 455. It might make more torque, but we're gonna go with that because I know people are gonna complain that it's not SAE in the max smoothing. So that's what it is. That's what it shows. That's what the car made.
Numbers.
It is great numbers. I'm pretty happy with what it did, and you know, 374 or whatever and 455 torque on a stock turbo on an E30 tune.
It's crazy.
It's pretty good. This isn't race gas yet. This is not even race gas. Race gas is probably like 390, 470, or 480. Like honestly, yeah. I'm kind of worried to dyno race gas. I'll talk with Caleb, and we might do that soon, but yeah, we'll see. Taking it to track Thursday. Caleb will be there too. Gonna be running our cars, my Ecoboost, his V6. Trying to break some records, so.
Let's do it.
Yep. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and I'll see you next time.